Hearing suspended.
Can the chair talk to the senator?
Can the resource person not point his finger at a member of the committee?
Mr. President, wala ka na ba sa mood to answer questions? We can excuse you.
Kung sabihin ko, I will take full responsibility, magdating tayo sa korte, hindi naman tatanggapin yan.
Well, Mr. Chair, and if the resource person could keep his volume and pitch to a normal
trying
level.
to pin me down on
Mr. Chair, you are pinned down by your own statements
you
of
cannot-
October.
you have to pin
no,
me
Mr.
down
Chair. I'm not trying to pin you down
lawfully.
on
The exchanges
air.
are no longer productive.
Mr.
The hearing
Chair.
is
Do not pin me
suspended.
down on semantics.
Sabi nyo rin po kanina, you take full legal responsibility for the consequences of the drug war.
Yes.
Kanina rin,
Yes.
kanina rin sabi nyo, maraming mali. No? So, halimbawa, si Kian de los Santos, menor de edad, hindi armado, nagmamakaawa, pero pinatay ng mga pulis sa drug war.
Oh.
Do you take responsibility for the death of Kian de los Santos?
The criminal act, hindi naman siguro.
The death. You take responsibility for his death.
Walang maniwala na abogado sa akin yan. That
Hindi
would
po
be
sir,
a long shot.
hindi po abogado, nandito pa lang tayo
I
sa
was
Senado, hindi sa
referring
Korte.
to the policy na ginawa ko para sa mga pulis.
Yes, sir. At nagbunga yung polisiya.
I take full responsibility
Yes,
for
and
that.
what about yung bunga ng polisiya na libo-libong namatay kasama si Kian de los Santos? Do you also take full responsibility for that? Because in October 2020, na-quote po kayo na sinabi nyo, if there's killing there, I'm saying I'm the one. You can hold me responsible for anything, any death that has occurred in the execution of the drug war. Noong October ulit, October 21, nung 2021 naman, in a Reuters interview, kinwote kayo na sinabing, if there is any person who is going to prison, it would be me. I assume full responsibility. So, do you assume responsibility for the death of Kian de los Santos, Mr.
No.
Chair? No. How about
Ala-
si Carl
Alam mo, ma'am,
Anthony Nunez?
before you rumble on those many things,
No, I'm not rambling, Mr. Chair. Very specific yung mga tanong ko.
the specific ang law, guilt is personal. Tanong ka muna ng abogado.
Okay lang po. Kayang-kaya kong magtanong sa abogado. Sige,
tanong ka
itanong
muna
ko
ngayon
po.
before we proceed.
No.
Hindi tayo
I have prepared
dito.
these questions with my
Guilt
legislative
is
staff.
personal.
Yes, it's very personal.
Hindi
So,
mo pwedeng ipasa sa iba yan.
no. Hindi po ito pagpasa.
Ah,
Iniimbestiga
kaya nga.
po ng Blue Ribbon yung war on drugs at yung naging bunga na extrajudicial killings dyan. And I am basing my question dun sa mga sinabi ninyo repeatedly, parang tuwing Oktubre nga sinasabi nyo na you will take responsibility.
Correct.
So now let me ask you about Carl Anthony Nunez, 20 years old. Walang nahanap na droga o baril sa katawan niya. Sabi nga ng investigador, mistaken identity. Do you take responsibility for his death?
You know, ma'am, can I ask for a recess of just a
It's
few
all right,
minutes?
Mr. Chair.
Yes. Hearing is suspended.
Mr. Chair, ang tanong ko po ay, if you take responsibility, as you said in October 2020, as you said in October 2021 about assuming responsibility for the war on drugs, do you take responsibility for the death of Carl Anthony Nunez, Mr. Chair?
Alam mo, yung policy, ma'am, hindi mo nakuha yung policy ng presidente.
Nakuha ko po, policy
I
maker
was
din po
talking
ako.
about the policy. I take full responsibility yung sinabi ko na war on drugs.
You said,
Pero
sir,
kung
you can hold me responsible for any death.
specific crime,
Yes, sir. You spoke
hindi
about
pwede yan.
you spoke about
At
specific
saka,
crimes.
kung sabihin ko, I will take full responsibility, magdating tayo sa korte, hindi naman tatanggapin yan.
Well, Mr. Chair, and if the resource person could keep his volume and pitch to a
Mr.
normal
Chair, trying
level.
to pin me down on
Mr. Chair, You are pinned down by your own statements
you
of
cannot.
October.
You have to
no,
pin
no,
me
Mr.
down
Chair.
low.
I'm not trying to pin you
lawfully.
down.
The
on
exchanges
air.
are no longer productive.
Mr.
The hearing
Chair.
is
Do not pin me
suspended.
down on semantics.
Okay.
Statements of October.
You have to pin me down low.
I'm not trying to pin you down
lawfully.
on air.
no longer productive.
Mr. Chair.
Do not pin me down on semantics.
Wait a minute, hindi kaya pero kung nagsishouting tayo, suspend ulit. Pahingahin na natin, pahingahin na natin. Kung mga siya, pero sila kung gusto itanong sa kanya. Pero kung natanong isa lang siya, alam mo natanong, hindi mo, alam mo ginagawa niya.
Sumisigaw sa taas. Sumisigaw sa taas. Tapos bantayan ako sa ayaw. Yung mga ano. Tapos na to. Tama natin sa Dilima. Ayun o. Tama natin sa Dilima. Para kasi gumulong pa kami.
Yan lang kayo mga pulis.
Sama na yung kamay ni
Basta sa trabaho. Mr. Chair, can I be given pupunta lang ako ng CR?
Sige sir, go ahead.
Ihihi ako doon sa distrito.
Saan ba nun? You can use naman your time to enumerate the victims. But I think it's useless to make him hindi niya gagawin. It's your time naman. Ano sa Chinese kung alam mo? Kasi talaga. Ano i-deny ka niya? Yan na.
Okay, so the former president is already here. Our hearing is hereby resumed. Senator Rotiveros has the floor.
Salamat kayo, Mr. Chair.
I resumed. Senator Ontiveros has the floor.
Salamat kaayo, Mr. Chair. So, i-summarize ko na lang yung unang line of questioning ko. The point of my question tungkol sa assuming responsibility or not kina Kian, Carl Anthony Nunez, itatanong ko rin dapat sa Althea Barbon na 4 years old, at si Carl Arnaiz, at si Reynaldo de Guzman alias Kulot, na-confirm sa Caloocan Court na the evidence was merely planted by the police. Ang point ng unang questioning ko na yon ay kung ina-acknowledge nyo o hindi na yung policy nyo caused the death of innocents. So lastly, Mr. Chair, actually may mga 100 tanong pa sana ako sa dating presidente pero na-high blood yata sila sa akin. So 2 huling tanong na lang. Una po. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganun lang siguro kasi excited lang ako. First time ako naka-appear ng Senate. But walang personalan yan. It has nothing to do with you, pati yung karakter ko. Yung boses ko lang kasi excited. But if we are offended by the demeanor, then mag-change gear ako. I'll try to do it with moderation.
Salamat kaayo, Mr.
Continue, ma'am.
Chair.
Continue.
Salamat kaayo, Mr. Chair.
At saka
Hindi,
sandali, ma'am.
Mr.
Ganito,
Chair.
and I'm addressing lahat kayo. Taga-probinsya po ako. Hindi ninyo pwede akong masumo na paulit-ulit. Pag ginawa ninyo yan, isnabin ko kayo. Wala akong pera. I am not that rich na mag-travel dito sa aeroplano. Mahal yan. I am nabubuhay ako sa retirement pay ko. So, pati itong pamasahe ko, retirement pay ko yan. Wala akong negosyo ever since. Gobyerno lang ako. I have been an employee of government ever since. Kaya, I do not have my public life is open to everybody. So, magastos masyado, ma'am. Kaya, kung maaari lang, tapusin natin ito hanggang bukas. Huwag na tayong umalis dito.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Salamat kaayo,
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Chair.
So, tapusin talaga natin ito. Tapusin natin ito dito ngayon. Huwag tayong umalis dito hanggang umaga. Umabot man tayo hanggang umaga bukas. Huwag tayong umalis dito. Tapusin natin dito.
Okay, Mr. President, we are prioritizing the questions directed to you. Sige. Senator Ontiveros.